Hello and welcome to MrTieDye Hippie Christmas with MrTieDye. So this is the Snowflake Tapestry number 2 that I dyed during last Wednesday's video. Well, I guess last Wednesday, a couple days ago. So we're going to open this up, see what we have. This here is the top side. Alright, that's what we got here. Alright, here we go. Yeah, liking that one. Okay, there's Snowflake Tapestry number 2. Let's get this puppy washed up and I'll get a picture taken. Okay, here's the flag fold that I did. This is one that I put my 3 colors on and dyed it. And the marigold and the blue went down well, but the dragon fruit didn't go down as well. I had some pictures and I'll post those. But with the side that was white. So what I ended up doing was setting this in here, and I sprinkle a little bit more powder on and then just dribbled some soda ash in just to get a little bit of color in here. So I know I still have some white down inside here, but we're going to open it up and see what we have here. So yeah, it looks like we're going to have some decent color and some nice white patterning in there. So let's open this up. Oh, I think. Yeah. All right. So we got some nice color in there. Alright, there is the flag fold. So we'll get this washed up and see what we have.